This creates a sustainable loop that benefits local agriculture.
As one cycle ends, another begins. This is the unseen world behind banana stem production. Behind every process are skilled people, ensuring excellence. From here, banana stem fibers travel to markets across the globe. Water used in processing is filtered and reused to reduce waste.
Hidden deep within vast banana plantations lies one of the largest and most advanced banana stem processing factories ever built.
Every day, thousands of freshly harvested banana stems arrive here to begin their transformation.
Inside, advanced machinery and skilled operators work together in perfect coordination.
Strict hygiene and safety standards are enforced at every stage of production.
Strict standards guarantee consistent quality worldwide.
The production line begins as banana stems move steadily into the processing system. Together, people and technology drive non-stop production.
Centralized control systems oversee the entire operation.
Every process is precisely monitored through advanced digital control systems.
With a single signal, the entire factory shifts into full operational mode.
The night shift maintains the same precision and efficiency.
Thousands of banana stems are processed here every hour with remarkable efficiency.
The cleaning process removes soil and impurities using powerful water jets.
Specialized brushes ensure every surface is clean without damaging the fibers.
Ultraviolet sterilization eliminates bacteria without the use of harsh chemicals.
Smart sensors ensure optimal moisture levels before cutting begins.
Before cutting begins, every machine is carefully calibrated for precision and safety.
The cutting process separates the stem into manageable sections without damaging the fibers. Now, the banana stems move toward the heart of the factory, the cutting and fiber extraction zone.
Multiple synchronized blades allow thousands of stems to be processed every hour.
This facility operates with cutting-edge automation, strict security, and industrial-scale precision.
Only high-quality banana stems are selected, ensuring maximum fiber yield and consistency.
Weight checks guarantee accuracy and compliance. Laser scanners ensure each fiber meets exact thickness requirements.
This stage begins the delicate process of separating valuable fibers from the pulp.
Predictive maintenance prevents downtime before it happens. Automated systems ensure every shipment is perfectly balanced and secure. Each truck is sealed and digitally documented before departure. Advanced tracking systems monitor every shipment in real time. Sustainability is built into every part of this facility. Logistics operations begin as finished pallets move toward outbound trucks.
Now, The finished banana stem fibers are ready to leave the factory. Inventra systems track every pallet in real time. Human expertise and automation work hand in hand. Advanced rollers gently extract fibers, while unwanted pulp is automatically removed. Even leftover banana pulp is transformed into useful byproducts. Quality sensors verify that the fibers meet strict cleanliness standards. The extracted fibers are washed again to remove any remaining residue. Based on grade, fibers are automatically sorted for different applications. Nothing goes to waste, as each material stream is carefully managed. Excess moisture is removed to prepare the fibers for stretching.
Controlled stretching improves fiber strength and uniformity.
A controlled drying process removes moisture without weakening the fibers.
Only fibers meeting precise moisture standards are approved to move forward. Lower grade fibers are redirected, ensuring zero material is wasted.
At this stage, fibers are dried under carefully controlled temperature and humidity. This slow drying process preserves fiber strength and flexibility. Color consistency is carefully monitored to ensure premium quality. The fibers are now organized into uniform bundles for easier handling. Premium fibers undergo an additional layer of inspection. Approved fibers are rolled for efficient storage and transport. Accurate weighing ensures consistency and fair distribution. Finished fibers are stored in a climate-controlled warehouse. The fibers are now prepared for final packaging and shipment.
The packaging line is fully automated to protect fibers during transport. Each roll is labeled for full traceability throughout the supply chain.
This marks the final phase before the fibers leave the factory.
Vacuum sealing prevents moisture and contamination.
Environmental controls protect fiber quality during storage. Artificial intelligence performs final quality inspections.
Even after sunset, production continues without interruption. Production never slows, regardless of the time.
Automation allows continuous, efficient handling of thousands of fiber rolls. Robots ensure consistent and damage-free packing. Custom boxes are formed to protect the packaged fibers. Each box is sealed to withstand long-distance transport.
Smart labeling directs packages to their shipping destinations. Every package receives complete identification and tracking information.
Robotic palletizers stack hundreds of boxes with perfect balance.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes pallets during transport.
Packaged products are stored briefly before shipment. The factory continues operating around the clock. Digital systems ensure full visibility at all hours.
The final product reflects both nature and technology. Banana stem fibers are transformed into sustainable textiles. The fibers are also used to create durable ropes. Banana fiber supports both industrial and artisanal production. Every day, this factory delivers precision, scale, and sustainability. Data-driven systems ensure maximum efficiency with minimal waste. From factory floor to global markets, the journey continues. These products offer a powerful alternative to synthetic materials.
See you in the next video.